Hi, I'm Jose Thomas, and this is the course that will teach you how to create your own custom inspectors for Unity. I've been teaching Unity since the last year in Udemy, creating courses on how you can create your own games in C# and Unity. I've gathered thousands of students together to help them build your own games and bring their ideas to life. In this course, I would like to talk to you about how to make your own custom inspectors. Exposing properties to the editor is useful, but it can't be used to create complex things. We all know how Unity exposes the variables to the editor, but it's very hard to make something good out of it. When you have too many parameters or when you have too many variables, you need to create your own custom inspectors to make that look way more beautiful and properly designed. Game designers need that from you. They need someone that can create a very good looking inspector and make them able to much more efficiently edit the parameters of your game or whatever you're building with Unity. I'm also going to teach you how to create your own custom editor windows. And this is a very good way to start when you're creating your own stuff for the asset store because all of that relies on custom editor windows. Furthermore, I'll teach you how to create your own custom attributes. You know how you can perhaps add a range attribute to your integer to make it goes from, let's say, 0 to 10. You'll be able to create your own custom attributes to customize how a property looks in the inspector. This course requires a little bit of proficiency in C# as we won't take a very in-depth look on some of the sort of very basic concepts of the language. So I expect you to have some proficiency in the language before we get started with this course. I really hope that you enjoy this course, and let's get together to create awesome custom inspectors for Unity.